In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to close multiple documents at once here inside of Illustrator. Notice that I have 3 documents opened, all of which are available to you inside of that O1 Make Doc folder. But if I click on one of these tabs in order to switch to that illustration, notice that the file name ends with an asterisk. And that asterisk tells me that I have unsaved changes. So if I try to save this document right now, I'll get an alert message asking me if I want to update the file or not. And that's true for all of these guys. So I've made slight changes to every single one of them. Now notice that we've got these little close boxes associated with each and every one of the tabs. So it's pretty self-evident how to close a single document at a time. Problem is, what if you're done for the day? You've had like 5, 6, 7 illustrations open at once, maybe even more than that, and you're done with them. And to eliminate any confusion, the next time you sit down at your machine, you want to go ahead and close those documents and start afresh the next day. What do? Well, it's not obvious because there doesn't seem to be any kind of overarching close box. There is the one up here in the upper right-hand corner on the PC, this big red thing here. However, if you click on it, you'll quit the application. That'll close everything, and you don't necessarily want to quit Illustrator after all, because then you'll have to relaunch it, that whole number. And there's no close all command under the file name the way that there is in, say, Photoshop. Instead, what you do is you add a key to the existing keyboard shortcut for close. So you add Alt on the PC or Option on the Mac. So let me show you how that works. You press Control-Alt-W on the PC or Command-Option-W on the Mac, and that is going to initiate the closing of every single one of these documents. You will, however, be prompted as to whether you want to save your changes for each and every document or not. If you click yes, you will update the file. If you click no, you will close the file without saving your changes. And if you click cancel, you'll cancel the closing of all of your documents. Now, on the Mac, these buttons read save, which saves the changes, don't save, which doesn't save the changes, and cancel. You also have keyboard shortcuts. So here on the PC, if I decide that I want to save the changes, I would press the Y key for yes or the N key for no, or escape for cancel. If I were working on a Mac, I would press the S key for save, or the D key for don't save, or the escape key for cancel. But what I want in all cases is I want not to save my changes. So here I am on the PC. I'll press the N key for no, or it would be the D key for don't save, and then finally one more time. And there go all of my open illustrations. And the welcome screen once again greets us, returning us full circle to the outset of this chapter.